West with Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used equipment such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, lasers, water jets, and much more since 1954. Today we're going to show you one of the best, Cincinnati Incorporated. We're actually one of their flagship dealerships, training seminars we have over here, as well as we have them on the floor brand new. So we have a really nice reputation. They have a really nice reputation. They're known as really the best of the best, American made, run forever, real production type machines. This is a mechanical shear. It's a 1010, which is a 10 gauge material, mild steel, over 10 foot. We've gone through all the hold downs, replaced all the springs, checked everything out, any seals, bearings, bushings, everything's been gone through, all the oilers, everything's ready to go on this machine, and we'll show you at work. Cuts great. It's got 2 foot pedals here, so it's kind of unique. It does have a special probing system. There are a couple probes on it, and what the probes are allowing you to do is on the back of the back gauge, as soon as your material hits that back gauge, it'll hit one of the probes, whichever one you'd have turned on if you had it in place, and it would automatically start the shear to cut. So if you have a lot of small pieces, you can just go ahead and keep hitting it and hitting it and hitting it, and it'll just keep cutting. So that's kind of a neat function if you wanted to use that. Right now it has it set up as both foot pedals, so if you hit one at a time, it will not work. This is for if you have 2 operators on the machine at the same time. This is going to make sure that one person doesn't start it while the other person has their hands in a dangerous area. So I'll demonstrate. We have one in there, and as soon as the second one's hit, it'll work. So that's a nice feature for safety, depending on how many people you're going to have working on this. If you have some really large sheets, that might help out. We'll go ahead and turn this handle. This is going to go ahead and just make it so 1 foot pedal will work. I want you to notice when I do cycle it, take a look in here, you'll see this massive spring. This is your spring that's going to be helping for your counterbalance too. We'll cycle it again. You can see there's a spring on each side. We'll go ahead and change to the last foot pedal so it'll work on the other side now. You can see it's cutting really well. Sounds like we got to do a little bit of cleaning on that contactor, but everything's going to be ready for you when you get it. Give us a call. Let us know if you have a machine for sale, if you want to trade, or if you're looking for something, we'd love to help. 626-444-0311. Check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.